Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. My name is JoviQ and today we are making ukwa. So join me as I cook ukwa. Ukwa is actually a breadfruit seed that is available on the side or other tropical parts of the world, but not everybody actually knows how to prepare it, and right here we love it a lot, so we know how to prepare it. But this is my own recipe. Here I have about 7 cups of ukwa, properly washed, because it takes a lot of time to process it. It takes a lot of time to clean it, and most of the time the locals use sand to clean it because it's really slimy. So to cut on costs, they clean it with sand. For this recipe I have crayfish, pepper, yellow pepper, fish, and a little stockfish. So start first by cleaning your fish thoroughly. This particular fish is really bony and you have to remove the bones gradually. And I'm this kind of person who cooks and you don't feel like there's any weapon in the food. You can actually eat my food like a baby because I'll make sure I remove every bone from every fish. So I encourage we adopt such, because people shouldn't be eating your food and having weapons of warfare in your food. So I'm going to do this gradually until everything is done. I was actually waiting for this water to boil in order to proceed with my ukwa cooking on the breadfruit seed, because while the water was on fire I was cleaning the fish and every other thing that I need. So to get this done I had to put this spoon into the pot along with the ukwa. It's best you use a pressure cooker, but if you don't have one, that is what you do. So you need about 1 liter of water. Now it has boiled. Next is to add our fish, stockfish, crayfish, pepper. Stir properly. A little oil. You can use your cooking spoon to measure that. Stir. A stock cube. 2 teaspoons of salt. As you can see, the ukwa matter is not even anywhere close to settlement. So let's go back to the stew. While this is boiling, we have to add our onion. So I like to add onion to my ukwa as it's cooking. I think it has a way of helping it to get soft, while some people will add a cow or potash, depending on what you call it in whatever area you find yourself. So my little stew, soup, sauce, whatever it is, is ready. And it is ready for me to mix with my ukwa. So here it is. The ukwa is soft enough and I have to add this to it. Now some people will cook this directly, just pour it all inside and it just goes ahead to get done directly. But I'm like, instead of wasting the time or just waiting for the ukwa to get done for the time it will take, I would rather take time to, prepare this on the side, and when it's ready I pour it into it. So now I don't need to do so much because the other part of it is ready. I've poured it into the mix and I have to add another salt to taste. This is about half a teaspoon of salt to taste, depending on your own taste bud, but this works well with me. So now we are ready to dish our ukwa. This is so beautiful, not just in the color, but in the taste, in the aroma, in the smell. Scoop by scoop. I can't wait to have a bite or several bites of this. This is just beautiful. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.